So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up Stripe on your Novo business bank account. Now I'm going to hop over here in real time so we can follow along as I'm going through this, and just kind of want to show you what it's like to be able to get Stripe set up. So you can actually see right over here on this account, we can actually do Stripe, and it says access your Stripe deposits up to 2 days earlier, completely free of charge with Novo Boost. So that means your money is getting into your business account quicker and faster, which means you can start utilizing that money for other things. Now, if by any chance you are watching this video and do not have a Novo account, I actually do have video reviews talking more about Novo, and if you want to check them out, you can definitely do so. And if you're somebody who already has Novo, let's go ahead and show you the step-by-step process of getting this connected. So we can see right over here, we can set up our faster payments. So we click on here. And what this is going to do is it's going to take us to a page that looks like this, kind of gives us a little bit more of the setup process of what it's going to look like. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect Stripe Integration. Now from here, it is going to take us to a space where we can go ahead and put in our email. Now, whatever email you have with Novo, it might already pre-populate it like it did for us here. And if that's not the email that you have on your Stripe account, make sure that you go ahead and change this. Once you go ahead and plug in your email right over here, we're going to go ahead and click on Continue. Now from here, it's going to go ahead and show up for your password. So let's plug in our password and then click on log in. Now this next step right over here, it's actually going to show us that we have multiple accounts with Stripe. So we want to make sure that the correct one is connected. You might not actually see this if you just have one account, but for us, you could see we have 1 and 2 accounts right over here. Or if you needed to, you can go ahead and create a new account as a whole. But because we already have the account that we want to go ahead and connect, which is this one here, we're going to make sure it's picked, and then we're going to click on Connect. Now here it actually does tell us that it's returning to the Novo platform, so we're going to be redirected in real time. Now that we have our Stripe account connected, we do want to go ahead and click on Get Faster Payments so we can get that even earlier than we normally would have. So we're going to click on Get Faster Payments. And just like that, we do now have Novo Boost on there, so that way we can go ahead and get our payouts. We can go ahead and set up Stripe payouts to make sure that they're going to our Novo Bank on the Stripe side of things. But when it comes to our Novo account, everything is set up and ready to go. Now, like I mentioned, you also want to make sure that you have your Novo account into your Stripe account as well too. So it does give you your account and of course your routing number to make sure that it is integrated into the Stripe platform, just again to make that integration that much faster. So they'll give you the information here, and then you can click on Go to Stripe to set up your payouts. If you already have that, you can click on I have already finished this part, and then that way you will be entirely done, and now your payments will be jumping into your account right away. Now, once you're done connecting on all ends, you're going to be able to now see all your information here in real time inside your Novo account. Of course, you can still go into Stripe to get even more detailed information, but you're going to have a lot of that here directly into your Novo account. Now, here on this channel, we're all about making sure you have the right tools when it comes to running your small business. So check out my video right over here when it comes to learning about bookkeeping for your small business, and it's entirely free.